Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are here with another story and it's our story time. In the previous video बहुत से लोगों ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था. आप लोगों में स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं कि ये स्टोरी बुक तो हमारे पास है ही नहीं, तो हम कहाँ से पढ़ेंगे. तो बेटा, ये स्टोरी बुक्स आप लोगों के पास नहीं होंगी. ये सिर्फ आप लोगों ने ध्यान से सुननी है और इसी वीडियो को पॉज करके आप लोग इसकी रीडिंग भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, ये स्टोरी बुक्स आप लोगों ने बाय नहीं करनी, कि आप लोगों का स्टोरी टाइम है. आप लोगों ने ये स्टोरी अच्छे से लिसन करनी है और फिर इसी वीडियो को पॉज करके इसको पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर नेक्स्ट story and it is also very interesting. And as you know कि कल हमने पढ़ी थी I की फर्स्ट साउंड which is A, remember? और फिर हमने IPR 1 से उसकी रीडिंग करने के बाद उसका होमवर्क भी किया था नोटबुक के ऊपर. आज हम उसी साउंड से रिलेटेड स्टोरी पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. यस, एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट स्टोरी? द टिन बिन. Yes, here we have I की first sound which is A. So let's start our story. Okay, what is on the first picture? What is in the first picture? Here we have a bin. और bin के ऊपर एक number भी लिखा हुआ है which is 1 number. So let's read it. The bin. So here we have the next page and here we have another box, और उस box it is also a bin and it's a tin bin. bin किसकी बनी हुई है? It's a tin bin. और इसके ऊपर भी एक नंबर लिखा हुआ है. It's number 2. Let's read. A tin bin. Okay, now let's see. It's a tin bin and it is a small one. And now look at the next one. A big tin bin. Yes, it's a small one and it's a big one. Or what's the number here? It's 2 number and it's number 3. A big tin bin. Okay, let's see next page and here we have number 1 tin bin and here is the tag which is win. Okay, let's read. Hit the tin bin and win. Hit the tin bin and win. Let's go to the next one. Okay, now let's see who is going to win. Yes, we have how many tins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And it's a winning tag, win. Let's see who is going to win. Hit the bin 6 to win. Yes, hit the bin 6 to win. Okay, now let's see the next picture. Here we have bin, 6 bin, and what are the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's read it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, as we can see in the picture, here's the ball and here is the bin which is of number 6. And let's read it. He has hit the tin bin. Yes, he has hit the tin bin. Okay, students, you have to listen this story carefully because you have to give me answers of few questions after the story. Okay, so this is the last page and let's see what is in the picture. So we can see there is a boy and who is hitting the ball and what number he has hit. Yes, he has hit the number 6. So let's read it. He has hit the tin 6 to win. Yes, he has hit the tin 6 to win. Yes, it's mean he has won. Now let's start our quiz. Okay, so let's start. Complete the sentences with these words. The big win bin 6. First one is a dash tin dash. Complete it. Yes. So what's the answer? A big tin bin. Yes. Now let's see the next one. You can pause the video and you can guess your answer as well. Okay, let's see the next one. Hit the bin dash to dash. Yes, so what will be the answer? Hit the bin 6 to win. Yes, so students, you have to read it and you have to enjoy it. Allah Hafiz.